I hope you can see the difference between this side and this side. It looks like when it unravels. Hey natural babes, welcome back to my channel Naturally Kales. If you're new here, thanks for joining. If you're returning, thanks for supporting as always. I'm gonna be refreshing my mini twist. I want to show you how I get my mini twist from dull, fuzzy, frizzy to refreshed, shiny, looking like they can last another 2 to 3 weeks. If you want to see how I get this done, then just keep on watching. Before we go any further into the video, don't forget to hit the red button, right? Yeah, red button. Hit the subscribe button. I want to get to 500 subscribers, so please, let's get into today's video. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do is grab a nice clean rag. This is the rag I normally use. You're gonna go ahead and damp the rag. And then I'm going to add my ultra moisturizing shampoo from Cream of Nature. Now you don't want to use too much. You want to just use enough to, you know, get a little soap on the rag. I'm gonna just rub it together. Yes, like so. And then I'm going to put my hair in one or a little ponytail at the top of my head, and this makes things more manageable and easy for me to clean as I go along. I'm going to use one finger to guide me, and here I am just cleaning my braids as I go along. I also do the perimeter of my twists. I keep saying braids. I'll also do the perimeter, and you'll see me kind of just scrubbing here. I'm not being too hard on my hair, just trying to get all the extra gunk out. I also go over my strands as well as my edges to get rid of that gel and all that extra product. I mean, it's been 3 weeks since I've had these twists, so you know it's time for a wash, and I'm not ready to wash, so I want to try and keep them a little longer. As you can see, my twists are pulling out, so this one in particular is almost fully gone. And that's one reason I choose not to wash my hair with the twists, because for me, with my hair texture, they'll unravel. So let's get into it. And I'm just gonna start with this one and put the others away. I'm going to go in with my curl repair cream, pulling in the opposite direction. So I'm just gonna start pulling the twist out and come a little closer so you can see. Once I've applied product to each twist, I go over with my brush. At no point do I go in with a comb, especially when working with mini twists. You do not want to go in with a comb. Use your fingers and a brush to just detangle before you do your retwist. I hope you can see the difference between this side and this side. This is what I've already done. They look a lot fresher. I'm gonna finish up the rest. I'm gonna finish up this side and then move to the other side. You don't necessarily have to do like every single twist. Like you don't necessarily have to sit down and do every single twist, because this is a lot. I'm just trying to, like, you know, refresh my hair so it looks better. You know what I mean? So I'm definitely gonna do the back, some in the middle. I mean, low-key, I feel like I want to do all of them, but if I don't have the time to do all of them, then I'll just do all the ones at the front here. See how it looks better already? And then I'll just do the back and then move to the other side, just to show you like what the back looks like. Look at this one. So I haven't done it as yet. Let me just move this one on, other one out the way, so you can see, you know, how it's grown out. The root has really just fuzzed out, and my hair is like that. My hair tends to just like fuzz out, so when I'm gonna just retwist it as close to my roots as I can to just get a cleaner look. But this is there we go, it's basically unraveling on its own, and that's what it looks like when it unravels. So I'm gonna rotate these out all together and add the leave-in cream, brush it through, and then twist. Okay, so why am I here redoing my twist? I just did this one, and this one, I pulled this one out and it's locking, like my hair is locking, like the root is out, but everything else is like, it's not even moving. Like I'm just trying to pull it, and I have to slowly, I think, go from the ends and work my way up. My hair is locking. It hasn't even been that long. This is what I always fear, like as a natural girl and a girl with 4C or type 4 hair. Like I'm always fearing that when I do mini twist or any style for longer than 2 weeks or so, it's gonna lock on me. And I feel like that's exactly what's happening, cause look at me right now. They are struggle with, man, oh my god, it's taking me much longer than I really wanted to just like pull out. Okay, there we go. Okay, I got it out without really damaging or breaking my hair off. Here, look like it'll grow a little bit. So yeah, like I just wanted to show you guys that in the middle of me like doing my retwist. Oh crap. I need something to like, I'm like so happy with how this turned out. I really love how this turned out, because I was really planning to pull these out like after week 2. I really didn't plan to wear them too long, and then I was like, okay, let's see how far they can go, because my hair freezes really easily, really quickly. So I never intended to like hang on to them for much longer, you know. So the next product that I'm going to go in with is my mousse, and I'm just gonna take this and just, that was a fail. The mousse is gonna help to just like prevent, you know, extra frizz and flyaways. So that will just help the style to look fresh a little longer. At this point, I just wanna sleep, baby. Like, sleep is calling my name. One last thing before you go to bed, tying your hair at night. This will help to just maintain your twists and keep them fresh. You know that friction that happens when your hair, you know, like touches the pillow? That is gonna cause additional frizz to happen. Tomorrow I will wake up and there will be flyaways everywhere, and I don't want that. So I'm kind of just pushing them back, and that helps to keep my hair stretched as well. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. This helps YouTube to say, hey, this video must be valuable. Let me share it with other naturalistas or people interested in natural hair content. Also, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified whenever I drop a video. That's it from me today. I hope you found this valuable. If you did, leave a comment and let me know what you learned and what else you would like to see from me. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Bye.